Burping the baby is very important because it prevents the overflow of the milk into the nose after feeding. This overflow may cause risk, so kindly burp your baby after feeding.
In today's session, viewers, we are going to watch how to burp the baby. There are two techniques I'm going to teach you today. First technique is hold the baby like this over your shoulders. The stomach should lie on the shoulder like this, and hold the baby over the neck, and you have to tap the baby gently over the back side of the baby. You have to gently tap it on the back side of the baby. Hold it over the neck. Hold the baby over your shoulders. Hold them over their neck and tap the baby gently on the back side. You will hear the burping sound. This is one technique. The second technique is you have to hold the baby on your lap, hold their neck at the back and also their chin like this. You have to hold their chin like this, not press their chin. You have to hold their chin lightly and you have to round the baby like this, slowly to and fro. This will release the gas in the baby. If the baby has the stomach pain, it cries with having the stomach pain. If you do this exercise slowly rounding them, you will hear the burping sound. You can also move them to and fro like this. Move your lap like this. Move your leg up and down and move them to baby to and fro like this. Holding them over here. You should not release this hand. You should hold it over the chin and move to and fro like this. This will make them the burping sound. It will make also the baby feel ease after having the milk. Hope this video will be a useful one. You can use these techniques to burp the baby. Thank you.
Here in this presentation, the baby has the gas problem and the father of the baby burps the baby using this technique. Let's see the video. Hold the baby on your lap and hold the chin and just place your finger near the chin and hold it around the neck and rotate it around circle. Next round the circle. See, the baby has been rounding and now it burps. If it has some gas problem, it also releases and it also makes the baby ease. If you like the video, thank you.